Today is a very special day. It is the house cooling of Living Places Copenhagen. My key takeaway is, if you can dream it, you can design it, you can do it. Living Places is the essence of that we are able to actually build something which is healthy for people and planet. We can scale it, we can see how it can be done, and we can show it to the whole world.
We actually manage to cut 2/3 of the CO2 emissions over the life cycle of the building, just using materials that are already here. And that, I think, is a learning that every architect should know about, and we are very happy to share it.
We have had some amazing results. We have had 177 events that we have held here. More than 12,000 professionals have been guided through the project. Lots of media coverage, 8 awards, and there are 3 nominations still running.
The next 2 months we have to dismantle it, and we have to dismantle in a way so it's possible to build it again. All the parts here we will give numbers, take pictures, make notes, so it's possible to make it again.
Today is not the end of Living Places. It's not even the beginning of the end, but it's the end of the beginning.
We have gained so much knowledge from this project that we can use in all our future projects.
We believe that in the future you cannot be allowed to build so many new buildings. So we have to rethink the whole idea of our industry. That means we have to think transformation.
And sort of changing the way we build and the way we design to live, to really make the big change of the way we think about buildings and the built environment.
We have so much data available also on how to optimize the projects within carbon footprint, related to costs, related to health, related to design for disassembly. And all that knowledge has huge value for us, also for our future projects.
I think what was really an important lesson here is that if you want to go fast, you can go alone, but if you want to go far, you need to go together.
Our first partner, Dijkstra in Holland, has built the first prototype and shown that it's also possible in Holland. We're looking forward to the next partnerships with SOS Children's Villages in Ukraine, where children's living places will be realized in 2025. And also our latest partnership with Huskompagniet is really interesting to see what that will emerge into. We have more partnerships coming because we actually want to impact housing broad scale. The world calls for action leadership. That is what we need now.